The way you get there is by taking the shot. And I'm talking about the shot heard around the world. I'm talking about you taking your shot.
Nope.
When you start falling in line with self and moving out of the box, think outside the box. These shots are a symbol of you taking your shot.
Taking your shot. Your shot.
He's heating up.
And it doesn't have to be anything of the notion of leaving your job and starting that Renaissance business you've been wanting to do. But it's more so in the fold of you stepping into them thoughts, channels that come to you.
Message!
You know them thoughts you deem as evil and too scary to attempt. The true evil is you not taking your shot. How dare you come down to this earth realm and let the ego keep you sheep? You know you're a goat, and you know you're sitting on top of the world. Who? That evil goat? Oh nah, I'm good. I'm not trying to go to hell. Well, guess what, my naga? You are in hell. And the true evil you're gonna come to know is just living.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Living life to the fullest, as evil spelled backwards, is lived. You're in hell, and in hell, you want to make that fire that's burning your ass move you into something. Your passion.
Your passion. Your passion.
Knock, knock.
Don't just sit around being barbecued. Fire can be constructive, as in you cooking up something, or fire can be destructive, as in you burning yourself down. Go see my Elements Broken video. You better stop, drop, and roll. Your ass looking crispy.
Boom.
If you're sitting on ideas, talents, passions, your fire is slowly and surely burning that thing up into ashes. You must ignite that spark and live your life in this matrix.